Imagine waking up with purpose, feeling energized and ready to embrace the day. Picture yourself rising with a sense of excitement, knowing that today is filled with opportunities and possibilities. A well-crafted morning routine can be your secret weapon, a powerful tool that sets the stage for a successful day ahead. It can transform you into a calmer, more focused, and accomplished individual. By dedicating time to activities that nurture your mind and body, you create a foundation for a productive day. It's about starting your day on your own terms, setting the tone for positivity and productivity. When you take control of your morning, you set yourself up for success. Many successful individuals attribute their achievements to a consistent morning routine. They understand the power of starting the day with intention and purpose. It's like a domino effect, where positive morning habits trigger a chain reaction throughout the day. Each small action builds momentum, leading to greater accomplishments. When you prioritize your well-being first thing, you're better equipped to handle whatever comes your way. A strong morning routine can be your anchor in a busy world. The beauty of a morning routine is that it's entirely personal. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. You have the freedom to design a routine that fits your unique needs and preferences. It's about designing a system that aligns with your goals, preferences, and lifestyle. Whether it's meditation, exercise, or planning, your routine should reflect what matters most to you. Whether you're a morning lark or a night owl, there are ways to create a routine that works for you. The key is consistency and finding what energizes you. So, if you're yearning for a positive change, if you're tired of hitting the snooze button and feeling sluggish, it's time to take action. It's time to reclaim your mornings. Embrace the opportunity to start fresh each day and make the most of your mornings. It's time to invest in yourself and unlock your full potential. A better you begins today with the power of a purposeful morning routine. The thought of overhauling your entire morning routine can feel overwhelming. But remember, progress over perfection is key. You don't have to become a morning guru overnight. Start small, be kind to yourself, and celebrate every step you take towards a better you. Instead of trying to incorporate every self-help tip at once, begin with 1 or 2 manageable changes. Focus on consistency and gradually build from there. Remember, even small adjustments can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. One common mistake is setting unrealistic expectations. Don't compare your journey to others or strive for an idealized version of a morning routine. Your routine should be as unique as you are, catering to your individual needs and aspirations. So, ditch the excuses and embrace the journey ahead. Start small, be patient, and trust that consistency will lead to remarkable results. Your future self will thank you for it. Let's talk about the power of incremental improvement. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You wouldn't expect to reach the summit in one giant leap. Instead, you take it one step at a time, gradually gaining altitude and enjoying the view along the way. The same principle applies to building a morning routine. Start with a small, manageable change, like waking up just 15 minutes earlier than usual. Use that extra time to do something for yourself, whether it's enjoying a cup of tea in peace or reading a few pages of a book. Once that becomes a habit, add another small step, like incorporating a 5-minute meditation or stretching routine. Gradually increase the duration or intensity as you feel more comfortable. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity, especially in the beginning. By focusing on small, achievable changes, you'll avoid feeling overwhelmed and increase your chances of long-term success. It's about making sustainable changes that fit seamlessly into your life. Let's talk about running as an example. Running is a fantastic way to illustrate the power of incremental progress. Now, if you're not a runner, don't worry. The principle applies to any activity you enjoy. Whether it's yoga, cycling, or even just walking, the key is to start small. Instead of pressuring yourself to run a marathon on your first try, start with a manageable goal, like running for 10 minutes. Setting a timer can help you stay focused and committed. That's it. Just 10 minutes of moving your body, even if it's at a gentle pace. The important thing is to get started and keep moving. You might surprise yourself with how much you can achieve in that short amount of time. Those 10 minutes can make a big difference in how you feel. And the best part is, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and pride for showing up for yourself. Each small victory builds your confidence. As you get comfortable with those 10 minutes, gradually increase the duration or intensity. Maybe add a few more minutes or pick up the pace. Add an extra minute or two each week, or challenge yourself to run a bit faster. Small, consistent improvements lead to big changes over time. The key is to listen to your body and progress at a pace that feels sustainable. Stretching before and after can help prevent injuries and keep you feeling good. Remember, this is not about comparing yourself to others or striving for perfection. It's about your personal journey and what feels right for you. It's about celebrating your own progress, no matter how small it may seem. Every small win is a step forward. Every step you take is a step in the right direction. Keep moving forward, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. In the pursuit of self-improvement, it's easy to get caught up in the no pain, no gain mentality. We often push ourselves to the limit, thinking that more effort always equals better results. However, this approach can sometimes lead to burnout and injury. But when it comes to building a sustainable morning routine, listening to your body is paramount. Your body has its own wisdom and signals that guide you towards what it needs. Ignoring these signals can be counterproductive. It's about finding a balance between pushing yourself and respecting your limits. This balance is crucial for long-term success and well-being. Overexertion can lead to setbacks, while mindful effort can lead to steady progress. Pay attention to how your body responds to different activities and adjust accordingly. If a particular exercise feels too strenuous, modify it to suit your current state. If you're feeling sore or fatigued, it's okay to take a rest day or opt for a gentler form of exercise. Rest days are not a sign of weakness, but a necessary part of a balanced routine. Remember, rest is just as important as activity when it comes to overall well-being. Quality rest helps your body recover and rejuvenate, making you stronger in the long run. Your mind needs a break too. Mental fatigue can be just as draining as physical exhaustion. Taking time to relax and unwind is essential for mental clarity and emotional balance. If you're feeling mentally drained, don't force yourself to meditate for an hour. Instead, start with a few minutes of deep breathing or a short mindfulness exercise. Start with a few minutes of deep breathing or journaling to quiet your thoughts. These small practices can make a big difference in how you feel. The key is to be present and tune in to your body's signals. Being mindful of your body's needs helps you make better choices for your health and well-being. Building a sustainable routine is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to adapt as needed. By honoring your body's needs and listening to its whispers, you'll create a routine that nourishes your mind, body, and soul. This holistic approach ensures that you stay motivated and enjoy the journey towards better health. Section 6. Finding your rhythm. Creating a morning routine is not about adhering to a rigid schedule. It's about finding a rhythm that works for you. Life is full of surprises, and there will be days when you need to adjust your routine to accommodate unexpected events. The key is to be flexible and adaptable without throwing in the towel altogether. If you oversleep one morning, don't beat yourself up. Instead, simply adjust your routine for that day, perhaps shortening your workout or skipping your morning pages. The beauty of a well-established routine is that it becomes a source of comfort and stability amidst life's chaos. Even if you can't stick to it perfectly every day, having a framework to fall back on can help you stay grounded and focused. So, embrace the ebb and flow of life and allow yourself the flexibility to adjust your routine as needed. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. The most important thing is to keep showing up for yourself, even in small ways. Section 7. Celebrate every victory. As you embark on this journey of creating a morning routine that inspires you, it's crucial to celebrate every victory along the way. Acknowledge your efforts, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, you're creating new habits, and that takes time and dedication. Did you manage to wake up 10 minutes earlier than usual? That's a win. Did you fit in a quick workout before starting your day? Another win. Celebrate these small victories as they are stepping stones to building a routine that serves you well. Recognizing your achievements, no matter how minor, reinforces positive behavior and motivates you to keep going. It's about acknowledging your commitment to self-improvement and appreciating the journey, not just the destination. So keep a journal, share your progress with a friend, or simply take a moment each day to reflect on how far you've come. Celebrate every victory, big or small, and watch as your motivation soars. Section 8. Your morning, your way. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to creating a morning routine. What works for one person may not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to experiment, listen to your body, and find what resonates with you. If you despise mornings, don't force yourself to become a morning person overnight. Start by making small changes to your evening routine, like winding down earlier or preparing a healthy breakfast the night before. Explore different activities and see what brings you joy and sets you up for a productive day. Whether it's meditation, yoga, journaling, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee in peace, tailor your routine to your unique needs and preferences. The most important thing is to create a morning routine that you genuinely look forward to, a routine that empowers you to embrace the day ahead with energy and enthusiasm. Section 9. Time to rise and shine. So, there you have it, a roadmap to creating a morning routine that inspires and empowers you. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection but embracing progress. Start small, listen to your body, and celebrate every victory along the way. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Take a moment to reflect on what you've learned and choose one small change you can implement tomorrow morning. Set your intentions, commit to yourself, and watch as your mornings transform into a source of joy and productivity. The power to create a brighter, more fulfilling life is in your hands. So, rise and shine. Your best self is waiting.